So, hello guys, it's me. We will make it. Welcome to a new video. So today we're gonna go over my trade I took on the S&P 500 yesterday, and I lost really bad. So yeah. So there were no news, so they're not in here. But there were no news on Forex Factory, but later the day, wait, I can show you. Later in the day, there were news, yes. So Trump actually spoke, and unemployment claims. I saw the unemployment claims, but I do trade when unemployment claims occur. I just don't trade when Trump speaks because Trump can fuck up the market, and yeah. So yeah. So if we go onto my analysis, so news, I would have traded. I didn't copy. Just didn't copy it now. Okay. So first thing, if I had looked at the Forex Factory in the morning, I would have not taken a trade anyway because Trump speaks. So that's the first mistake. Then the second mistake is something else. So our bias was bullish. So that's good because I need a bullish bias to trade. So bias was bullish. Yeah. Then 4 hour. The 4 hour was also bullish. As you can see, we broke structure here to the upside again. So bullish. Plus we also got a liquidity sweep for more orders. So I was bullish. Then 1 hour we're also bullish, and we also just swept out recent lows, and yeah, I think that's a 1 hour order block I marked out just as a confidence, but I don't care that much about it. So yeah. So the next thing is on the 30-minute I usually mark out highs and lows. So we can do that real quick. That's my trade I'm currently taking. So yeah, like you can see here, that's yesterday. Oh no, that's today. Yesterday is yesterday is here. So yeah. So I trade New York session. So that was my open, New York session open, then open in the market, and then that's market close here. Okay, yeah, perfect. So yeah, so basically, like I told you, the bias was bearish for the day because we hadn't broke structure to the upside before we moved up. So yeah, my bias was bullish as everything was in line, so that was good. Then I went on to the 30 minutes, so I usually mark out lows, so I look from here or here. So the lows were actually this one back there. This was my first low and actually my only low, and the other low is the Asian session low that I usually mark out, but I only need one to enter a trade, and I just need a 5-minute break of structure. So yeah, so as you can see, my bias was right. We swept out our lows here, so that red line got swept. Then I'll look for a 5-minute break of structure. Here's where the problem occurred. I set the alert right here, and I thought this is the break of structure, but like you can guys see, we just wicked the break of structure and faked it, and then moved down even more. And yeah, that's how I got stopped out. So I forgot to put the picture in, but I'll replicate it for you. So my entry was based off, this was then an order block for me, and so my entry was just like this, long the jung here, bam, stop loss around below here, target, bam. So something around that, something like that. So like you guys see, I got stopped out, but just because I didn't wait for the break of structure. So if I had waited for the break of structure, so I would have waited till exactly where? Till right here. Wait. So here. So we got the break of structure of this candle. And then I would have waited for the order block or a fair value gap or just something. So I could have entered basically off this fair value gap. Because, yeah. So that could have been my entry. Long the jong. Here, stops below the fair value gap. Like this. Target 1 to 2, risk to reward. So if I have nothing to target, there's always something to target. Wait, let me see. Actually, on this day was pretty hard. I would have found the one. So just 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. But yeah, I didn't took a trade. I took a trade, but I failed. So yeah, I probably would have taken something like this, or even a little higher. Yeah, wait. Yeah, fuck it. So yeah, that could have been a potential trade. But yeah, I got cooked because I couldn't set my orders fast enough here. So I set 2 orders, and instead of losing 1% of my capital, I lost 2 or 1.7. So yeah, I got double cooked. So yeah, that's it with my video for today. I hope just don't do the same mistake. So number 1 mistake is, I wrote them down. Number 1 mistake is I need to stop rushing, because I entered a trade that I couldn't even enter because we didn't get a 5-minute break of structure. So wait for your confluences to get hit and stick to your strategy. Then I also calculated my lot size wrong and got no entry because of that. And I actually got 2 entries because of that. So that's another mistake. Yeah, so lesson learned, don't rush. Or my lessons for you are, firstly, don't rush your trades. Second, stick to your strategy. Third, if you calculated your lot size wrong, just stick with the lot size that you already have now. Don't panic and calculate more or put in more, because risk management is the most important thing. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy. See you. Bye.